Alrighty, you guys, today we have a special device in this little box right here. This is either going to be the best tool to use for interiors, for vacuuming, or this is going to be the worst tool to use for interior vacuums. So I guess we'll find out, but let's go ahead and get this sucker open. Let's see. Good old eBay special right here. eBay is the best place to find any Milwaukee tools or anything like that. Home Depot is going to rip you off. eBay's going to do you right. So look at that. Still in its box. I only paid $40 for this thing. Whoa, check that out. They folded a Milwaukee box inside out. That's funny. Let's go and check this baby out. This is a tool only. Doesn't come with any batteries, but we got like 4 or 5 Intel batteries, so that ain't even an issue. Dang, this thing is big. Holy smokes. Here she is. She's got a big old LED light. See how we open this. Bam. So you got your nice bristle brushes, stiff and soft. Nice and soft, nice and stiff. Spins, you know, just like a normal vacuum, but also, so like if you're getting in some crazy areas, you got a little bit of turn. You got your power button. Let's go ahead and throw a battery in this actually. Here we got a XC 4.0 M12 battery. Bam. Bam! Alright, well, I mean,
see how it works.
I guess we'll have to see how she works. Throw it into the vacuum reel and check it out. That light is bright though. I am stoked to use this. Alright, well, I guess we'll go ahead and throw this thing on the vacuum reel right there. Throw her in there, turn the vacuum on, we'll turn the generator on, turn the vacuum on, go test it out on Whitney's car and see how this thing does. So, let's do it. Alright, you guys, we got the M12 air tip battery in. Got a little, the suction isn't great, it's alright, so I don't know how well this is going to work. Hopefully it works, but let's go ahead and clean up Whitney's nasty floor mats. Is that a sock? Is that a sock? What do you know? It's my sock. Quit wearing my socks, madam.
appears to be doing a very nice job of really brushing that carpet. It's not very ideal for like small cars, but big cars, I think like SUVs, like the back SUVs, I think this thing is gonna work awesome. It's like, you gotta get up and down. You wanna get up there, you gotta go straight up and down. Start at the top, turn back. Very bright LED light. I really like that. I can see what we're doing. No. Not even.
Alrighty, you guys. Well, this is pretty much gonna wrap it up for the Milwaukee air tip video. I think it's a solid machine from what I've already seen with it, just doing a little bit of testing with it. We haven't used it much. We haven't had many like interior jobs right now. Just the super bad weather. As you can probably hear in here, it's raining like crazy. But no, I think for what I paid for it, 40 bucks, so far it's working great. We'll have to do some further testing to see if it is a good replacement for like a buff bright. Obviously a buff bright is still gonna be nice to have because, you know, the tighter areas you're not gonna fit this thing in. So this thing's really made for like the bigger areas that are covered in dog hair, areas like that. I would recommend using this because it is a big machine. Like, this thing is not small at all. This thing is huge. So I think it's a good investment. I mean, 40 bucks if you already have the Milwaukee batteries, 40 bucks and you're good to go. So I would definitely recommend picking one up, trying it for yourself, seeing how you like it. I think this is gonna speed up the process quite a bit, even if there isn't dog hair, even just like pine needle, stuff like that. I think this thing is gonna be the way to go. I do want to show you something else we did in this video, but we got these little mounts off Amazon to hold all our Milwaukee tools. Check it out. Isn't that sweet? Holds our batteries. This thing just holds our little stubby impact. These just slide on like that. See? Slides on. Battery slides on. Yeah, I think those were like, for 5 of them, it was like 15 bucks. For 5 of these, I think it was like 10 bucks. And this thing was 10 bucks too, so holds 4 batteries. So yeah, I mean, pretty sweet little pickup from Amazon. Little Amazon haul. I think it looks sick. But no, the Milwaukee air tip, we're gonna have this mounted on the wall too. It's gonna go like this, probably right down there. But solid machine right here. For what it is, you have the built-in LED light, which just makes it 10 times easier to see. And of course, you have the stiff bristle brushes with the soft bristle brushes in there. I think the black or soft, red or stiffer. So yeah, go ahead and pick one up yourself. They're not that expensive. Try it out, see how you like it, and go from there. But I highly recommend this if you are a detailer looking for something to get that stuck on grime out without having to do too much hard labor with like the buff brights and all that kind of stuff, because you really gotta scrub sometimes with those buff brights. But no, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. We have some more van build series coming, and then more tool product videos coming out, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. And yeah, have a good day. See you guys next time. Peace.